Understanding Reparative Actions, a guide to making things right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you enhance your skills. Today, we're exploring a powerful concept, reparative actions. This phrase might seem complex at first, but it's a crucial part of social interactions and personal growth. So, let's break it down together, ensuring you can not only understand it but also use it in your daily conversations and writing. Reparative actions refer to steps taken to make amends for a wrongdoing or mistake. This concept is rooted in the idea of repairing harm or damage caused to another person or group. It's about taking responsibility for one's actions and actively seeking to improve the situation through sincere efforts. Reparative actions can range from a simple apology to more significant gestures like restitution or community service, depending on the severity of the harm caused. To better understand reparative actions, let's look at some examples. Apologizing to someone you've hurt, acknowledging the pain you've caused, and expressing sincere remorse. Restitution, which means providing compensation for loss or damage. This could be in the form of money, services, or other means to restore what was lost. Community service, or volunteering your time and efforts to give back to the community as a way of making amends for your actions. Reconciliation efforts, like initiating dialogue or mediation to rebuild trust and relationships that were damaged. These examples highlight the versatility of reparative actions in addressing harm and fostering healing and understanding. Reparative actions are crucial for several reasons. They demonstrate accountability, showing that an individual recognizes their mistake and is willing to take steps to address it. They contribute to the healing process, helping both the harmed party and the one who caused the harm to move forward. They play a vital role in restoring relationships and trust, which are often damaged by negative actions. On a larger scale, reparative actions can help address historical injustices and societal issues, promoting peace and reconciliation within communities. Understanding and implementing reparative actions can lead to more harmonious and empathetic interactions in our personal lives and society as a whole. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the concept of reparative actions. Remember, acknowledging our mistakes and making efforts to repair the harm is a sign of strength and maturity. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and impact of reparative actions in our lives. Don't forget to practice this concept in your interactions, as it can lead to more meaningful and positive relationships. Until next time, keep learning and growing.